Hello guys, how are we doing? I've come out to do a review of this fantastic torch that Olight have sent me. It's the WarrioWarrior X Pro, which is a truly fantastic piece of kit. I have been out and tested it. I've already been out and filmed the little bit of test footage just to see what it's like. Well, the box is well made, so it pretty much says it all really. Before you even open the box, you're reassured as to the type of products Olight make, and as I know all too well that they do make extremely good products, and they've sent several to me already in the past, as you know. In the box, what do we get? We get our little lanyard there. Little lanyard. We also get this little, I'll show you what that's for in a minute. The good thing about this one, or the thing that I like about this one, is it's USB chargeable, which I did have a torch before. I've got one very similar to this one, but unfortunately it's not USB chargeable, but this one is. It has the USB cable there. That's the USB that's magnetic and sits onto the back. You also get your instructions there as well. Also get a fantastic case, and this is a really good one because it's got an extra clip at the top, which you can see there, and it's also got the bit that you can put onto your belt, which if you don't have a belt and you want to click it onto a bag, it's velcroed as well. Fantastic. It's a really well made, very solid case. It's got a little hole in the end, so you can put your lanyard through, I guess, if you wanted to. Yes, I guess you could put your lanyard through there, and you could probably leave it on all the time if you wanted to do that. And the other good thing, which I thought was probably quite good, not actually sure whether that is the case, but there is a little hole there in the bottom. Can you see that? Now, I'm not really sure as to whether the torch is supposed to go in this way round, and you turn it on and off with that. I think you probably do, actually. I would imagine you probably actually, would that fit on there like that? Oh, guess it would. Don't know. Maybe that fits on there like that. I don't know. Or whether it's whether you put it in the other way up, so it shines in like that. You know, I don't know. See, don't know. Anyway, let's have a look at the torch itself. There we go. What an extremely nice piece of kit that is, and what a very well made it is as well. It's obviously got a small magnetic base on the bottom. It's not actually that strong. I have tried it onto something magnetic, but it's not quite strong enough to hold its own weight. If you stick it on, it falls off. So I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't secure it by that. I think the magnet would probably have to be a little bit stronger. Maybe they could have put a bigger magnet at the end to maybe stick it onto something, but to be honest, this being a tactical torch for outdoors, I don't think that's really going to be its use. I think that's probably more designed for probably a smaller torch or a lantern or something like that, I would imagine. But even so, it's got a nice button on the end. You've got your clip there as well, so you can attach it to your belt. What else I did notice was it's got a little glow in the dark thing inside, so if you put your torch down at night, it still glows in the back there after you've used it, so you can still find it. So maybe if you've twitched it off and then you drop it, you can still see it on the ground, because it's got a glowing piece in the end, which I thought that's a good idea. It's very clever. I like that. I did notice as well when I first had this that it did beep when I first turned it on. Since I've charged it, since I've had it, obviously I charged it up so that I could do the review, and it doesn't beep now, so I'm assuming that it beeps when to tell you the battery's low and it needs charging. So that's quite a good idea, because obviously it's not just going to be working and then go flat, which they do tend to do, these with the LED ones. They either work or they don't. You don't sort of get, like with the old bulb technology, it would gradually get dimmer and dimmer and dimmer until the battery was completely flat. Yes, as that little ring that I was telling you about, can you see this here? That little this bolt here, if you remove this cap, you unscrew that, which is where you take your battery out, and if you unscrew this, then you can put this on in its place. So basically that goes on there, like so. Don't really know why you'd want to do that, but I guess if you wanted something a little bit smoother, something a bit more comfortable, possibly, so it's not going to catch on anything. It's good, but I do like the fact that it can give you that option if you wanted it. But the thing with this one is it does have the hole that you can attach the lanyard to, which obviously if you're going to use this ring, then you're not going to be able to attach the lanyard to it. But yes, because obviously you're going to take this clip off as well. This clip will come off, and so you'll lose the clip and you'll lose the ability to add the lanyard. But not overly heavy. It feels it's solid aluminium. I do believe these are separate. You can get these in different colours as well. But yes, I'm very impressed with this. That's a very well made torch, and it's extremely bright. I do believe they're having a flash sale at the moment. I'll put the details on the screen, either to one side or the other, and of the details that's happening at the moment. There'll also be some details in the description down below. Right, let's have a quick look. Basically, as I said earlier, it's got two power settings. So we've got a quick press there, which gives us our 300 lumens. Then you press it again, and that gives us our 1200. And that's it, really. But it's very bright. Anyway, let's pop outside, and I'll show you what it's like at night. Right, let's have a look and see what this can do at night. Right, this is half power. You can see that's pretty good. I'm sorry if the camera's not focusing very well. That's pretty bright. That is full power, and that they do specify that that's a 500 meters, and that is definitely 500 meters. I'm actually shining it on the factory over there, even on that, and that's well over 500 meters. That is ridiculous how far that is and how bright that is. Wow. So there you go. Right, as you can see by the footage, very bright. Very impressed. So if you want to get yourself one of these fantastic torches, go and check out the links down below. And like I say, I do believe they're doing a sale at the moment. Again, all the details for that will be in the description down below. So thank you very much again to Olight for sending me this one. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. It's a very nice torch. That's it. Right, love and light, guys. Have a great rest of the day. If you want to get yourself one of these, don't forget to check out the links down below, and see you next vid.